Mhm.
I think time is now 11, so we can start. Good morning, everyone. Welcome to the 27th annual general meeting of Link Pen and Plastics Limited. I am NK Dujari, CFO and Company Secretary of the company. A few words about this meeting. As per circulars issued by MCA and SEBI, this meeting is being conducted over audio-visual means. All members who have joined this meeting will be in mute mode by default. On commencement of the Q&A session, the name of the members who have registered themselves as speaker will be announced sequentially, and host will give appropriate access to the participant member to speak. Our company does not have a designated chairman. Hence, pursuant to Article 96 of the Articles of Association of the company, I propose Sri Deepak Jalan to the chair. Sir, you can now take over.
Thank you, Dujari ji. Thank you for inviting me to the chair. I take the privilege of extending my heartiest welcome to all of you at the 27th annual general meeting of our company. I hope you and your family members are safe and in good health. Shri Anil Kochar, Shri Naresh Pachisia, Ms. Supriya Nevar, Shri Alok Jalan, and Shri Rohit Deepak Jalan, directors of the company, are attending the meeting from their respective locations. Shri N.K. Dujari, CFO and Company Secretary, Shri G.L. Chaudhary from Messrs. Singhi and Company, our auditors, and Mr. D.C. Sahu of Messrs. D.C. Sahu and Company, Secretarial Auditor of the company, are also attending this meeting. The register as required under the Companies Act 2013 is available for inspection during the meeting. The quorum being present, I call the meeting to order. The company has received 2 representations under Section 113 of the Companies Act 2013. Since the notice convening the meeting, director's report, auditor's report, and annual accounts have been circulated, with your permission, we can take them as read. I will now go to my speech. Good morning, ladies and gentlemen, shareholders and colleagues. I'm thankful to all of you for taking out your time to join this meeting over virtual platform. I hope all of you are safe and are in good health. The COVID-19 pandemic continues to have a significant impact on our lives, livelihoods, and the business. The year 2021 has been challenging for each one of us, and the writing instrument industry is one of the worst affected too. The closure of educational institutions and commercial establishments operating with lower physical attendance had impacted the demand for writing instruments. The situation is similar all over the globe, with trade disruptions and intermittent lockdowns. As I speak, the infection rate is hovering around 20,000 cases a day, but we are all learning to live and work in the changed circumstances. The crisis seems to be far from over. The long tail of the second wave and the possibility of a third wave cannot be ruled out, and indeed calls for caution. However, with the vaccination drive gaining momentum, let us hope that full normalcy gets restored soon. The FY21 was obviously not such a good year for Link, as we saw a 35% fall in the top line. We managed to report a positive bottom line of just about rupees 4 lakhs on account of an income tax write-back of earlier years. As a result, for the first time since the inception of the company, your board thought it prudent to skip the dividend for the year. We started the year FY21 under lockdown due to the pandemic and ended Q1 of FY21 with steep fall of 73% in revenues, but helped by strong recovery in subsequent quarters, we ended Q4 of FY21 with just 6% drop in revenues as compared to Q4 of FY20. I would like to highlight a few significant things which stand out during these challenging times. The company adjusted to the new realities, reorganized its operations, and is trying to bounce back quickly. The company moderated its capex requirements to the most essentials. The company managed its cash flows well and secured the balance sheet by prepaying its entire long-term debt of rupees 22 crores and reduced its working capital debt by rupees 15 crores. Despite a 35% reduction in top line, along with the rupees 5 crores spending on promotions and a rupees 2 crore cash loss in Q1 of FY21, the company ended the year with a cash profit of rupees 9 crores. In spite of severe ongoing impacts on the top line and bottom line, the company has managed to retain its credit ratings of CRISIL A, stable and A1. The company set itself aggressive goals and delivered a sharp recovery in its performance quarter on quarter. The company is trying to reinvent itself so as to emerge stronger in such trying circumstances by using technology. The company is aggressively expanding its retail touchpoints in the domestic market with the help of Salesforce automation and reach and range approach in consultation with Vector Management Consulting Private Limited, one of the renowned consulting company. The company is trying to expand its global footprints in order to give necessary impetus to its exports. The company is in process of closing down its manufacturing unit in Falta SEZ in West Bengal and will be shifting its machineries and equipment to the other two manufacturing units of the company. This will help in improving the profitability of the company with improved economies of scale and saving in overhead expenses. The onset of the second wave of the pandemic and the subsequent lockdowns announced by the various state governments has resulted in a drop in the revenues to rupees 55 crores in Q1 of FY22, the current year, and company has reported a loss of rupees 1.22 crores during the quarter. However, the revenue was double in comparison to Q1 of the previous year, even though both these quarters experienced lockdowns and closure of educational institutions. The company is making holistic efforts to bring back revenues and profitability to pre-COVID levels and revive the growth momentum. The year to date, that is April to August, revenue figures of the current year are rupees 114 crores as compared to rupees 64 crores in the same period last year, which is a growth of about 78% over previous year. We believe that if we merely extrapolate this performance, we should not be very far from the pre-COVID revenue levels in the current financial year. This should help the company to achieve double-digit EBITDA, ROCE and ROE once again. The real limiting factor for the growth of Link is the number of customers we can cater to. If a customer walks into a shop to buy our product and we are not available, most customers will buy whichever brand is available and we lose the sale. It is quite obvious that if our entire range of products is present in more and more shops, the more our sales will be, since the customers may walk into any shop at any time to buy anything. With an aim to rapidly expand our reach, Link Pens has partnered with Vector Consulting Group, an expert in assisting companies to catapult their supply chain and sales capabilities to totally new level of performance, to roll out an exciting new initiative called RREP, Reach Range Expansion Program. Building a super agile supply chain connecting all the relevant retailers is the goal of the initiative. Not only will we cater to almost every customer across the country, we are confident that we will enjoy unparalleled point of sale visibility, further cementing our brand in the minds of consumers. In the last financial year, the pilot for RREP resulted in increasing the direct reach of retailers from about 50,000 outlets to 150,000 outlets, even during the difficulties posed by waves of lockdown. Now Link is on the anvil of scaling up the RREP with 5 lakh outlets as its next milestone for the current financial year. A proposal to change the name of the company from Link Pen and Plastics Limited to Link Limited is one of the agenda items for this meeting. It was a long pending suggestion from few of our shareholders too. This change in the name is expected to create the correct perception of the business activities of the company in the minds of the people in times to come. It will help the company go beyond just the writing instruments. It is, however, reiterated that the main focus of the company at this point of time is going to be the writing instruments and stationery products to leverage its distribution network of about 100,000 stationery shops across the country. The first and foremost objective of the company is to gain leadership position in its core category, that is writing instruments, and simultaneously grow in the wider stationery category before jumping into other categories. Notwithstanding the significant logistical challenges in the wake of the pandemic, the company is in the mode of expanding its distribution to non-stationary outlets, which are estimated to be more than 10 million. According to a study, while 45% value sales of pens is accrued from the stationery shops, 55% value sales is contributed by non-stationery outlets like general and kirana stores. In order to take share of this uncharted channel, Link has embarked on a journey of reaching this huge alternate channel, as explained earlier, with the help of Vector Consulting Group by using the latest tools of technology, from Salesforce automation to supply chain management to retailer and distributor apps and many more. While we will be servicing the said FMCG channel, we will not hesitate to learn some of the growing FMCG categories which could be outsourced and the company does not have to make any capex. The business disruption caused by the pandemic has intensified our efforts towards change in existing product portfolios to deal better with tomorrow's challenges and opportunities. The company has recently started distribution of liquid hand wash, a fast growing category in the hygiene category, as a first step. Since the purchase volume of pens of a general and kirana store is very low, it is felt that clubbing these supplies with some additional products which are more relevant to these non-stationary outlets should help the company in rationalizing the cost of service to these outlets on one hand and establishing alternate categories for future on the other. The company's CSR spending during FY21 was at 2% of the average profits, the minimum required. In addition to this, as a responsible corporate citizen, the company is continuously involved in various other social and charitable activities which are not covered under the prescribed CSR guidelines. The company has 64 women employees in its payroll and about 800 women contract workers. Most employees of the company are fully vaccinated, except for a few who are in the process of getting the second dose. In conclusion, all these would not have been possible without the support of all the stakeholders, including our directors, employees, suppliers, channel partners, distributors, bankers, and shareholders in these difficult times. I would like to take this opportunity to thank all who have supported us and for their consistent trust. Jai Hind. Now I move to the items as set out in the notice. There are 3 resolutions in the notice. The AGM is being held through audiovisual means, and the company has provided the members the facility of remote e-voting for all the resolutions as set out in the notice of this annual general meeting pursuant to the provision of the Companies Act 2013 and the SEBI Regulations 2015. The period of remote e-voting commenced on 11 September 2021 at 9 a.m. and ended on 14 September 2021 at 5 p.m. Members who have not yet cast their votes through remote e-voting may cast their votes through remote e-voting system on NSDL platform during this meeting. In view of the above, the practice of proposing and seconding of the resolutions is not being done. Resolution number 1, to consider and adopt the audited financial statements for the year ended 31st March 2021, together with the reports of the auditors and directors. Resolution number 2, to appoint Shri Deepak Jalan, who retires by rotation. Resolution number 3, to change the name of the company to Link Limited. Mr. DC Sahu, practicing company secretary, has been appointed as scrutinizer to conduct the voting process in fair and transparent manner. After conclusion of the meeting, the scrutinizer will count the votes cast and shall submit a consolidated report within 2 days of the conclusion of the meeting. On receipt of the report of the scrutinizer containing the voting results, the same shall be declared and put up on the notice board at the registered office of the company and shall also be placed on the website of the company and shall be forwarded to the stock exchanges where the shares of the company are listed. Members may now raise their queries, if any. Members are requested to be brief and not repeat queries or points raised by earlier speakers. Over to the members.
Sir, the first speaker in seriatim will be Mr. Jaideep Bakshi. So, Mr. Bakshi, you are there? Mr. Bakshi?
I
Mr.
think
Jaideep
Mr.
Bakshi?
Bakshi has to unmute, or somebody has to unmute him.
Mr. Bakshi? So, it seems Mr. Bakshi is not able to connect. Mr. Bakshi?
The administrator has to unmute Mr. Bakshi, I think. Yeah.
I have unmuted Mr. Bakshi.
Okay.
So, we will move to the second speaker, Mr. Santosh Saraf. Mr. Santosh Saraf?
हाँ जी, 1 मिनट।
Yes, संतोष जी कैसे हैं?
हाँ ठीक है सर, 1 मिनट वीडियो ऑन कर रहा हूँ, उसको बोलिए वीडियो अलाउ करने के लिए।
हाँ, वीडियो अलाउ है सर।
हाँ, माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, उपस्थित सदस्यगण और मेरे सेलर भाइयों बहनों, मेरा नाम संतोष कुमार साहब। सर्वप्रथम आप सभी को मेरा नमस्कार सर। आशा करता हूँ आप हमारे जितने भी डायरेक्टर हैं, जितने भी अधिकारीगण हैं, जितने भी हमारे कर्मचारी और स्टेक होल्डर हैं, इस कोविड के पीरियड में सुरक्षित और स्वस्थ होंगे सर। सर, मैं उन भाइयों के प्रति और एम्प्लॉई के प्रति अपनी संवेदना प्रकट करना चाहूंगा जो इस कोविड के अंदर में अफेक्ट हुए हैं। भगवान अगर उनकी आत्मा को शांति प्रदान करे और उनके परिवार को हिम्मत दे, जिसे वो इस अपनी कठिन समय से उभर के वो वापस आ जाएं। एक मैं हमारे दुजारी जी को भी धन्यवाद देना चाहूंगा सर। काफी अच्छे सेक्रेटरी आपको मिल गए सर, इतने सीधे और इतने अच्छे सेक्रेटरी मिले क्या बताऊं। अभी कोविड का टाइम है, उन्होंने मैं फोन किया और खबर ली, सर जी आपके घर में सब ठीक है क्या। मुझे इतना अच्छा लगा कि जालान जी के नेतृत्व में इतने अच्छे स्टाफ है सेक्रेटरी, जो अपने शेयर होल्डर की भी खबर लेते हैं, केवल मीटिंग के लिए नहीं, मीटिंग के बाद में उनका ख्याल रखता है। इसलिए मैं भगवान से प्रार्थना करूँ भगवान की लंबी उम्र दे, आगे बढ़े सर। सर, मैं ज्यादा कुछ प्रश्न नहीं करूंगा क्योंकि आज बहुत सी मीटिंग है। मेरे कहने दो कि तो कैपेक्स प्लान क्या है फ्यूचर के, इसके बारे में बताने का चलिए करिएगा सर। एक अपने जो थर्ड वेव की कुल आशंका कर रहे हैं, इसके लिए क्या कदम उठाए जिससे अपने खर्चे में कमी आए सर। एक सर, अपने को काफी नुकसान हो रहा है क्योंकि अभी स्कूलें बंद है, कॉलेजें बंद है, तो अपना माल भी उतना नहीं बिक रहा होगा, तो काफी लॉस हो रहा है। तो इसको कम करने के लिए क्या कदम उठा रहे हैं और ये भी बताने का कष्ट करिएगा सर। एक आपने लिंक लिमिटेड जो नाम किया, इसके लिए मैं फुल सपोर्ट करता हूँ। पहले इतना लंबा नाम था सर, लिखने में काफी, अभी क्या सीधा लिंक, छोटा नाम हो गया, बहुत अच्छा लगेगा, बहुत अच्छा, इसके लिए मेरा पूरा सपोर्ट है सर। एक सर, मैंने पूछा है कि रेन वाटर हार्वेस्टिंग के बारे में आप लोग क्या कदम उठाए अपनी फैक्ट्रियों के अंदर में, जिससे अपने फ्रेश वाटर का यूज कम हो। एक रिन्यूएबल एनर्जी के बारे में क्या कदम उठाएं, कहाँ अपनी फैक्ट्री है, जहाँ जगह है वहाँ आपने क्या सोलर पैनल लगाए हैं क्या, इसके बारे में बताने का करिएगा सर। एक सर, सिंगल यूज प्लास्टिक का यूज कम से कम हो, इसके लिए आप क्या कदम उठा रहे हैं, ये बताने का कष्ट करिएगा सर। और आपने बताया कि आपके यहाँ 64 वुमेन एम्प्लॉई हैं और करीबन 800 मार्केटिंग एम्प्लॉई फीमेल हैं, तो मैं बहुत धन्यवाद देता हूँ सर इसके लिए कि आपने अच्छा फिगर बताया। और मैं आशा करता हूँ आपकी लीडरशिप में महिलाओं को और ज्यादा मौका मिलेगा, क्योंकि अब महिलाओं को अगर मौका मिलता है तो उनको आपको हुनर दिखाने का तो अपना दिखाएंगे। अभी जो रिसेंट में ओलंपिक खत्म हुआ, वहाँ हमारी महिलाओं ने हमारे देश का नाम स्टार्टिंग में सिल्वर मेडल ला के किया था सर। उसी तरह पैरा ओलंपिक में 20 एम्प्लॉयों में भी महिला ने पहला सिल्वर मेडल ला के, गोल्ड मेडल ला के हमारा नाम ऊंचा किया था सर। तो मैं चाहूंगा कि महिलाओं को मौका दिया जाए, जिससे अपने देश की भी उन्नति होती है सर, अपने समाज की भी उन्नति होती है सर, और अपने घर में बच्चों की भी उन्नति होती है। और जब बच्चे की उन्नति है तो भविष्य के लिए अच्छे नागरिक अपने को मिलते हैं सर। ज्यादा समय नहीं लूंगा सर, मैं फिर एक बार आपकी लंबी उम्र की कामना करता हूँ, आपके परिवार की लंबी उम्र की कामना करता हूँ, जितने भी हमारे डायरेक्टर और जितने भी हमारे कर्मचारी उनके परिवार की लंबी उम्र की कामना करता हूँ। भगवान से प्रार्थना करता हूँ, भगवान ये 2000 फाइनेंशियली 2020 उनके लिए हैप्पीनेस, वेलनेस और प्रोस्पेरिटी रहे, शायद सेफ्टी के साथ में व्यतीत हो सर। और सर, लास्ट में ये रिक्वेस्ट है, वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस मीटिंग काफी है सर, इसको कंटिन्यू करके देखिए। लोग जगह जगह से अपने अटेंड कर रहे हैं, इसका फायदा अपने को बहुत मिलेगा सर। और बरसात का मौसम रहता है इस समय, कल जैसे बरसात हुई तो सर मीटिंग में ट्रबल होती है आपको। अभी बरसात हो या भूकंप आए, जो भी हो, हमारी मीटिंग का टाइम फिक्स है तो फिक्स है, कैंसिल नहीं होगा सर। तो हाँ, जब ये कैसे जय हिंद जय भारत। एक चीज और बता दीजिए सर कि अपने जो फिजिकल मीटिंग करते हैं और आज वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस मीटिंग कर रहे हैं, इसमें अपने को कितने पैसे की बचत हो रही है, जिससे पता लगेगा शेयर होल्डर की हाँ ये बचत का काम है, इसको हम कंटिन्यू रखें। जय जवान। एक बार फिर सर नमस्कार समय देने के लिए।
Thank you, Santosh ji.
Sir, I'm Jaydeep Bakshi. Can I join in?
Yes, sure.
Yes, you can join in.
Yeah, okay, sir. Kindly put my video on, sir.
Your video is on, Mr. Bakshi.
Good morning, Jalanji.
Good
morning, Chairman, CFO, Board of Directors. Myself, Jaydeep Bakshi, connecting from the city of Kolkata. Thanks to Dujarji for giving an opportunity to express my view, and also to Mr. Dipankar for maintaining a friendly relation with the shareholders, and also to the entire Secretariat Department, and also to the registers for conducting this video conference in a smooth manner. Sir, we are being in the percentage of business affected due to the closures of education institutions and coaching classes. This has been a huge effect on our business. So what are the steps we are going to steps with the opening up of these institutions in the near future, and what are our plans in this sector? So we are in the 4 decades, and we are in the most trusted in the writing instruments. And regarding our global footprint, we are established ourselves as a global brand. What are our future plans and thoughts in this regards? And what is our present capacity utilization of different units? Sir, you have just mentioned in your speech regarding the shifting of our West Bengal unit. Are you going to develop anything in that area of our land which we have? Because you are shifting the machineries out of there. So any new product or in our pipeline, because we are changing our company's name, other accessories which we can drop in and which can help the people. So regarding the stationery company, we have a multi-product organization, and we help to connect with the retailers. And what is our e-commerce business generated? So what is so regarding the brand spending on to catch on the rebound market, what is our strategy, and what is our inventory position? Because if future wave comes in and another expected, what are ways in which we can relate this matter? And sir, with the festive season round the corner, are we planning for any gift pack? And this can help our boost our business. And what are the lessons we have learned from the other pandemic, and how to gear ourselves to fight the coming future days? And so in page 14, you have mentioned the number of retailers has increased compared to last year. This has a footprint area has increased. And what is our future debt reduction policy? Nothing to add more. I hope our company will rise to great heights in the coming future, and the name brand of the Link will always rise as high. Thank you, and all stay safe. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Bakshi. Yeah.
The third speaker in the serial item will be Mr. Manoj Kumar Gupta. Mr. Gupta, kindly.
Hello.
Mr. Gupta, yes.
Good morning. Good morning, Jalanji.
Good morning, Manoj ji. कैसे हैं?
मैं ठीक हूँ, आप कैसे हैं?
Very good. Thank you very much.
First of all, I thanks to you, your team, and especially Mr. Dujari ji, that who take care always investors, and he always and I totally agree with your state chairman speech about the COVID-19 impact on our company. Due to the close down of educational institute, several companies have suffered. Those are in writing and other instruments, sir. But I thanks to you that you are going long pending demand of investors to change the name of the company, Link Limited, because I've asked you several times in the Rotary Southern, we are not doing anything in the plastics. So why not they either Link Pen Limited or either Link Limited? So ultimately देर आए दुरुस्त आए, जो भी आए अच्छा है. And sir, what is your plan for Palta? You have closed down the Palta unit. So what's your plan for that land, sir? For future. And sir, what were the impact of COVID? Is there any casualties in our companies? And how many people such effect, direct or indirect, due to COVID of our company, sir? And your two brands are very popular. Pantonic are very popular. In 12 colors, we can buy Pantonic. Earlier, people were gone to Pentel. Pentel is costly. There, उसकी जो स्याही भी है वो भी बहुत महंगी है. पेन 22 रुपए का और उसकी जो रिफिल है 17 रुपए की. तो पेंटोनिक ठीक है ना. मेक इन इंडिया, आत्मनिर्भर भारत. It's a vision of Prime Minister that we can export Pantonic under the brand of Make in India. in nearby countries and other countries, the Pantonic, we are importing Pentel, so we can export Pantonic by made link and make with the logo of Make in India to fulfill the vision of Prime Minister Atmanirbhar and Make in India. And recently you have launched sanitizer. Sanitizer is also good. I've used that sanitizer in my uncle's office, and I've given some bottles of sanitizer in our hospital, Marwadi Relief Society, some doctor's table. I bring that near to Bansal Court, that bottles 5-6, but वो कोई उठा के ले गया, बोले ये सैनिटाइजर अच्छा है, आप पहले वाला ठीक नहीं था. तो आपका जो सैनिटाइजर की क्वालिटी है वो बहुत अच्छी है. So keep it continuous study. Mr. Dujari ji has informed me that you are going to launch the hand wash. So that will be a good and compete with other companies like Dettol and Savlon and others. That will be also good because. And sir, how you will face a competition from Classmate of ITC? Classmate is also aggressive to grow market in the stationery and writing stationery. So how you will face that competition? Thank you, sir.
Okay, thank you, Manoj ji. Thank you. Yeah.
Third in the next speaker will be Mr. Ashit Kumar Pathak. Mr. Pathak, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Your video, you can put on your video also.
Some video problem. सर वीडियो में कुछ प्रॉब्लम आ रहा है.
ठीक है, कोई बात नहीं, फिर ऑडियो से कर लीजिए आप.
I also open the video. Very good morning, sir. How are you, sir?
Good morning, Mr. Pathak. Yes.
Very good morning, respected chairman, MD, board of directors, company secretary, fellow members joining at 27th AGM of Link Pen and Plastics Limited. Many thanks to company secretary Mr. N.K. Dujari and secretarial department for sending me the notice and annual report very well in advance and allow me to speak. Also thanks to Mr. Dipankar De for his enhanced cooperation to members. Sir, I have successfully casted for all the 3 resolutions mentioned in the notice. And nicely, my company changes name Link Limited from Link Pen and Plastics, Nice Drive, business, writing instrument, by stationery. I think future progression will be more enhanced. Also, my company has commitment revenue target 400 crore financial year 21-22 achievement, and also achieved 94% of the revenue in fourth quarter 1920. Financial performance was not up to date by the lockdowns, and many schools, colleges shut down, online class ongoing, and malls and shops shutdowns, and also EPS came down and nicely positively lowered down the finance cost. Also debt reduction policy. Interest coverage also 4.2 than 7.6, but current ratio is 1.92. Very nice, excellent performance. Nice in debt reduction policy, 2022 crores long-term debt and paired short-term borrowing 23.5 crores to 8 year. Nicely debt reduction policy, and also interest outflow declined from 5.46 to 2.744 mentioned in the annual report. And I have full support in my company because the book value is 90.58 and beta value is 0.70, and share price yesterday 224, our market cap 333.23 crores, and promoter holding 60.03. I have full confidence in my company management teams for future progression. I have some brief which like to share. Impact in our operations, certain price increase of raw materials, mostly crude oils, which the best in our products. If possible, show some highlights, and expected business in financial year 22 from export. Because last year, due to pandemic, export business reduced to 49 crores for 78 crores. And present market share in writing instruments at present of my company. And present status of inventory, what it mentioned inventory reduced to 63 crores from 83 crores previous year. Through some highlights, some I noted the movement in allowance for credit impaired 27.80 lakhs in trade receivables, note number 8. And sir, other selling expense also higher because that mentioned 743.82 lakhs against 436.24 lakhs. That to be noted, sir. This is also not in cost control process. Also, various steps taken: sales force automation, appointed 100 telecallers, increase of retailers 65,000 to 1,48,000. Outlook 2 lakh retailers during financial year 22, and widening distribution network, mostly wholesale, stationary, non-stationary retailers and distributors, investment in over-the-top platform promotion, and also investment is in digital marketing, which is the very necessary for enhanced financial growth. I have full support to my management team, also our respected chairman and their enhanced potential teams, and praying to God for their good health and enhanced financial performance in future. Thanking you, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Pathak. Thank you.
Thank you.
Next speaker is Mr. Varun Bang. Mr. Varun Bang, are you there?
Hello.
Mr. Bang, you can put on your video also.
Just a second.
Mr. Bang, you are there?
Yeah, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, Mr. Bang.
Yeah. Hello, everyone. Good morning. And thank you very much for the opportunity. I really appreciate Mr. Deepak Jalans and entire management's effort in managing the business. And I think with the focused approach, what we are following in building the brand, we will surely succeed. Now, coming to my questions, I have already, emailed my question in advance. You want me to read them out?
No, we have the list, Mr. Bang, and yeah, I will cover in my replies.
Yeah,
Definitely.
please. I would just request to, answer my questions one by one. That
Sure.
would be really helpful.
Certainly.
Thank you very much.
All right. Thank you, Mr. Bang. Yeah.
Next speaker is Mr. Manish Sundaram. Mr. Manish Sundaram.
Hello, sir. Hello. 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 Are you hearable? Are
Yes,
you
yes.
hearable?
Mr. Manish Sundaram, unfortunately, I don't know, you have sold the shares also.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Sir, I am shareholder Manisundaram from Tamil Nadu. But I view your face, but not able to.
Mr. Manish Sundaram, you have sold off the share. I don't know, but we thought since you have registered yourself as speaker, we have invited you.
I have holding, sir, in another DP, sir.
Okay, another DP. Okay.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. I holding in another DP. Sir,
Okay, no problem.
I welcome 27th annual general body meeting. Personally, I bless God this year. COVID, if we have a problem of your sales and production also. I pray God we will reach the target and more production and leading in the business every year. You are the leader, forerunner of the pen company. You give some hospitality, sir. I have another DP, sir. I registered in this DP, maybe I don't know. But I have 4 DP, sir. The Demat account. Very thanks, sir. Happy.
Okay. Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Manish Sundaram. Yeah.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Sir, next speaker is Mr. Jaychand. Mr. Jaychand, are you there?
Hello?
Mr. Jaychand, are you there?
Yes, sir. Connector. Can you hear me, sir? Am I audible? So I am audible, sir.
Yes, you are audible.
Sir, I am P. Jaychand, proud shareholder of the company. I congratulate the management on the eve of this AGM, and we are the long-term shareholder in your company and need the following clarifications and details, sir. What is the real impact of COVID-19 in percentage terms? How your supply chain has been affected? And the coronavirus and subsequent lockdown have left virtually no industry untouched after the COVID. I hope we succeed and overcome this COVID, sir. What are the innovations and the new product launches after this April 1? And what is the response so far? Have we done any salary cut was taken by the management, sir? Sir, what are the management efforts to reduce other expenses, legal professional charges and audit fees? I request the management to take care of the hospitality of the shareholders, especially the speaker shareholders. I also wish all the great success, sir. Thank you very much for giving me the opportunity, sir. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you. Thank you so much, Mr. Jayachand. Yeah.
Sir, next speaker is Mr. Nikhil Upadhyay. Mr. Upadhyay, Mr. Nikhil Upadhyay, you are there?
Sir, this is Abhishek, sir, speaker shareholder joined. You have not called my name.
Mr. Abhishek, you can start. You can start. Yeah.
Okay, sir. I'll speak in the same device. So my name is Abhishek, shareholder of the company. My DPI IN 301637, client ID is 41359155. So first of all, I congratulate the management on the eve of annual general body meetings. I trust all is well with you and your family in this challenging situation. Our company deserves much more respect than the current market cap after completing more than a decade of successful operations, profitability, dividend history, and becoming one of the strongest brand in our respective segment. So we do appreciate the management for having given us a very good return during the pandemic time. I do appreciate the management for their entire efforts during the pandemic time to break this company to this particular extent. I thank the company secretary and the entire team for conducting the annual general body meeting virtually and making this annual general body meeting a grand success. Nothing much to ask, sir. I wish the company and the board of directors great success and prosperity in the company in the coming future. Thank you for giving the opportunity, sir. Thank you very much.
Thank you. Thank you, Mr. Abhishek.
Thank you, sir.
Hello.
Mr. Nikhil Upadhyay.
Hello. I'm Nikhil Upadhyay. Am I audible?
Yeah, you can start.
Yes, sir. I have already sent you a list of questions.
Nandi.
Hello. I've already sent you a list of questions.
Yes, we have got your list of questions. Then
Okay.
So I will address this.
Sir,
These
just two additional questions which I have. One is in the chairman's speech you mentioned about we hiring vector consultant. So what is the timeline of this project and what are the endpoints on which their incentive is based or is associated for in terms of our company performance, both on distribution and overall sales growth, or what are the key parameters, if you can just help us understand.
Okay.
And secondly, you mentioned that we entered the hand sanitizer category. What all categories are we looking at to entering in order to reach the Kirana store, and how are we thinking on what categories we would be looking to enter? What is the whole thought process? Not specific categories, but what's the whole thought process?
Sure.
Thanks a lot.
Okay. Thank you. Yeah.
Next speaker is Mr. Bimal Krishna Sarkar. Mr. Sarkar, you are there?
Yes. Hello, am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible.
Hello.
Yes, you are audible.
Not
Mr.
visible.
I'll make you visible.
Hello.
Yes, I'll make you visible.
Okay.
You are visible also, Mr. Sarkar.
We can hear you.
Video is not okay.
Video is on, Mr. Sarkar.
Okay. माननीय अध्यक्ष जी, अन्य पदाधिकारी बिंदु, कंपनी सेक्रेटरी and अन्य उपस्थित शेयर होल्डर्स, सर देखिए ये तो जो जितना क्वेश्चन था, मोस्ट ऑफ द क्वेश्चन ऑलरेडी रेज्ड बाय द प्रीवियस स्पीकर. सर मैं ज्यादा टाइम नहीं लूंगा. ये कोविड-19 पैंडेमिक सिचुएशन में जो चैलेंजिंग ईयर है, इस ईयर में जो रिजल्ट हुआ है मेरे ख्याल से ये ठीक ही है, बहुत अच्छा बढ़िया हुआ है. हमारे जो ये रेवेन्यू ऑपरेशन था ये थोड़ा कम हो गया और प्रॉफिट भी थोड़ा पिछले साल से बहुत कम हुआ है, कोई डिविडेंड नहीं मिला. ठीक है, इस चैलेंजिंग ईयर में ये हुआ है, ठीक है. सर देखिए जे हमारा कोई न्यू प्रोडक्ट लॉन्च हो रहा है, इसके बारे में थोड़ा कुछ जानकारी हम लोगों को दे दीजिएगा. सर बहुत पुराना डिमांड था शेयर होल्डर लोगों का, ये जो कंपनी का नेम को चेंज करने का जो आप लोग कर रहे हैं, इसलिए पूरा मैं मैनेजिंग डायरेक्टर चेयरमैन साहब को मैं पूरा टीम को धन्यवाद देता हूँ। सर देखिए, हम ज़्यादा नहीं बोलेंगे। सर एक चीज़ मैं जानना चाहता हूँ, जो कंपनी में जितना एम्प्लॉय है सबका वैक्सीनेशन कंप्लीट हुआ है कि नहीं है, फर्स्ट सेकंड डोज, ये जो थोड़ा जानकारी दे दीजिएगा। इसलिए मैं जानना चाहता हूँ जो कंपनी का जो एम्प्लॉय होता है ये हमारा पिलर होता है, इन लोगों को सुस्त रहना चाहिए, इसलिए मैं ये क्वेश्चन पूछा। सर ये कोविड-19 ये इस पीरियड में 2 साल में हमारा एम्प्लॉय का कोई अटैक हुआ है कि नहीं हुआ है, और हुआ है तो लोग कैसे है, सुस्त है कि नहीं है, कोई हम लोगों को छोड़ के तो नहीं चला गया? इसके बारे में थोड़ा जानकारी हम लोगों को दे दीजिएगा। सर जितना रेजोल्यूशन है उसका फेवर में मैंने ऑलरेडी ई वोटिंग दे चुका हूँ। मेरा जो फैमिली मेंबर है जो शेयर होल्ड कर रहा है सारे फेवर में वोटिंग कर दिया है। सर मैं ज़्यादा टाइम नहीं लूँगा। चेयरमैन साहब जालान जी आपको आमने सामने देखते थे, अभी आपको वीडियो में देख पा रहे हैं, ये क्या कोई उपाय नहीं है तो इसलिए ये करना पड़ा वीडियो कॉन्फ्रेंस। सर
थैंक यू।
आपका सबका सुस्त रहिएगा और सावधान रहिएगा जब तक ये कोविड-19 हमारा देश से ये हट ना যায়। স্যার আপনাদের সকলের সুস্থ থাকবেন এটা বলে ভগবানের কাছে প্রার্থনা করে আমার বক্তব্য শেষ করছি। আমাকে বলতে দেওয়ার জন্য অনেক ধন্যবাদ। থ্যাংক ইউ। কোম্পানি সেক্রেটারিকে আমি অসংখ্য ধন্যবাদ দিয়ে আমার বক্তব্য শেষ করছি। থ্যাংক ইউ ভেরি মাচ।
Thank you, Mr. Sarkar.
Mr. Sarkar, next speaker is Mr. Gautam Nandi. Mr. Gautam Nandi, you are there?
Yes. Am I audible?
Yeah, you are audible, and I'll take your video
I'm
also.
not visible, sir. Sir, I'm not visible.
Yeah, your video is also on.
Now is it okay?
Yeah, it is okay. You can proceed.
Yes. Good morning and namaskar.
Namaskar.
Respected Chairman, Board of Directors, and my online fellow shareholders. Myself, Gautam Nandi of Kolkata, very old equity shareholder of Link Pen and Plastics Limited. Sir, firstly, I like to give thanks to your secretarial department for sending me annual report and other necessary relevant papers through email well in advance. So specially thanks to our very respected company secretary and CFO, Mr. N.K. Dujari, very well behaved and most dynamic person, and his assistant, Mr. Dipankar De also, and his whole team for rendering very good services to our minority shareholders, sir. Thank you, Mr. Dujari ji. Sir, you are organizing your annual general meeting through video conference for the second time, and I find it is a grand success. So thanks again, sir. Sir, my earlier speakers already expressed their views and covered most of the points regarding accounts and performance of our company. So I am not repeating, sir, as per your guideline. Sir, a few years back, we had faced GST and demonetization. Sir, ये इफेक्ट अभी तक खत्म नहीं हुआ सर, इसका अंदर घुस गया कोविड-19, बहुत बुरा हालत है सर. Each and every company is suffering very much. But I am very glad to see that despite a tough pandemic and most challenging year, you are trying your best. Your market share has also been increased. Thank you for that, sir. Sir, we are very proud to see that you always take care of our minority shareholders. Sir, एक आपका कंपनी का परफॉर्मेंस तो अच्छा है ही है, साथ साथ आप लोग का एम्प्लॉइज का भी बिहेवियर वेरी अच्छे, वेरी गुड सर. 2 साल तो मैं सर आपका ऑफिस में जा नहीं पाया, कैलकाटा ऑफिस में. जब पहले शेयर रिलेटेड मैटर में जाते थे, दुजारी जी, दीपंकर जी तो है ही है, उनका बिहेवियर का बात क्या बोलेंगे सर, इतना अच्छा है. फिर और जो आप लोग का एम्प्लॉइज भी हैं, कितना अच्छे व्यवहार है, क्या बोलेंगे सर. Sir, I must give my hearty thanks to each and every employee of your company for their good gesture, good behavior, and good hospitality, sir. Sir, I am very proud to be a shareholder of your company, and I am very hopeful towards the prospect of our company. Sir, I have full trust with our strong management, sir. And so I wholeheartedly support your all resolutions, which I have already casted through my e-voting. जो नाम चेंज हुआ उसमें भी मेरा फुल सपोर्ट है सर. Sir, I am very happy with your company, sir. Sir, I got 1 second, sir. Sir, I got also price appreciation in your share. Thank you very much. Nothing to say more today, sir. Looking forward with a positive outlook towards our company with higher profit margin, handsome dividend and return. May God bless you, sir. Stay safe, stay healthy. Thank you. Thank you very much, sir.
Thank you, Mr. Gaur.
Thank you, Mr. Nandi. Next speaker is Mr. Amit Kumar Banerjee. Mr. Banerjee, you are there? Mr. Banerjee? I think Mr. Banerjee is. I think Mr. Banerjee was the last speaker. Mr. Banerjee? Sir, he is not.
Okay.
He's. I'm unmuting it, but he is unmuting himself again and again. So maybe he's not available. So I think all the shareholders have registered, who have registered themselves or have spoken. So sir, we can now proceed with the replies.
Okay. Yeah. All right. So thank you very much to all of you, all the speakers, and yeah. So I will, even though many of the points I have covered under my speech, but still I will, reply one by one once again. So, so Santosh ji, you mentioned about the rain harvesting, alternate energy. Currently, we do not have any rain harvesting and alternate energy, but thank you very much for pointing them out, and I will convey this to our factory managers to explore the possibility of these two. And so far the one-time use of plastic is concerned, we are consciously promoting to use the refills more rather than buying a new pen. Please change the refill more often, and this is our initiative which we have taken, and we are trying to propagate this message to all our end users. So this is about it. Of course, your other points I will cover under different speakers. Mr. Bakshi asked that what is the cost saving for having this online meeting. So Dujari ji, can you just
Sir, there is not significant cost saving as such, but there will be some around 15, 20,000, 20,000. The whole thing is not there. All booking is not there.
And the food.
Yeah, but we have to pay NSDL. We have to pay some money to NSDL for this.
Okay. So there is no significant cost saving, but as many speakers mentioned that it is more convenient to have a digital meeting. Which
shareholders from across the country are participating.
They are able to participate. So that is the advantage of this digital meeting. Of course, only disadvantage is that we are not able to meet face to face. But I think we have learned to, we are accustomed to this video meetings here now. And so, of course, our so far the new products is concerned, we are, as I mentioned in my my MD's speech, right now our focus is on our core category, which is the writing instruments, and we are going to, we already have one new product which is a retractable gel pen. and which is ready with us, but we are holding the launch just because the schools and colleges are still closed. So as soon as the schools and colleges reopen and stabilize, we will launch that product. So most likely we should be able to launch this retractable gel pen, which is going to be about 30 rupees for the end user. So it may be sometime in the fourth quarter. Capex, we have moderated, as I also mentioned in my speech, that it is only to the essentials, very essential. So there is a kind of a freeze on the Capex, unless it is for any new product development. So the Capex is going to be quite minimum. It was quite minimum last year as well as in the current financial year also. And of course, the e-commerce sales has dramatically increased. So from pre-COVID to current situation, it has more than doubled. And we hope that the e-com sales will continue to increase. Capacity utilization, of course, during the lockdowns, the capacity utilization is, very minimum, because sometimes the factory also has to be locked down. But for last couple of months after the lockdown was lifted, we are running at about 70 to 80% capacity. Coming to Mr. Manoj Kumar Gupta's points, Falta unit we are closing because we feel that it is better to consolidate that unit into our existing other two units, and which will save some overhead costs. And the Falta unit land we will eventually sell off. Unfortunately, we had 3 casualties due to COVID in our company, and and many of our employees, including myself, we had also gone through the COVID, but fortunately, all of them have recovered and healthy now. Of course, during the lockdowns, we developed this sanitizer, which is distributed across the country. But I feel that sanitizer is not a really very big market, and but we will still continue with the sanitizer as per the demand, because our sanitizer is very well appreciated by all the consumers who used the product. And our sanitizer comes with a mist spray, which is very convenient, and it is quite affordable at just 50 rupees. We have recently launched hand wash because sanitizer is also a hygiene category, and hand wash is also a hygiene category. So hand wash we have recently launched in Calcutta as a pilot, and the initial response is quite encouraging, and people have really appreciated the quality and the overall look of the product. So this product we are targeting at the non-stationary outlets, which are also buying pens from us. And so this point has also been covered in our speech, in my speech. So far, the competition from ITC Classmate is concerned. So we are not really very much anxious about this, because our industry is quite fragmented and we have many competition, and we are quite capable of taking on this competition. Mr. Asit Kumar Pathak mentioned about the input cost increase. Yes, because of the increase in input costs, all the costs, the cost of all the products has also increased. And to some extent, we have been able to pass on the cost increase to the trade. But as you know, it is not easy to pass on the entire cost increase in any product. So, so we are hoping that the raw material prices will go down, and we are also mitigating this cost increase by improving our product mix. So our focus is now on promoting and selling more value-added products where we have better margins. So I think this will, help us in improving our overall profitability. The market share, we estimate it to be about 8 to 10% for our brand overall. And I'm coming to Mr. Varun Bang's questions. I have the list, and Mr. Bang, I got the list yesterday, and I tried to cover most of your points in the MD's speech, but I will still, individually answer these. So, coming to your first point. As you rightly mentioned, that we are yet to reach the market leadership position in our core category. And as I also mentioned in my speech, that is our foremost priority. And before jumping aggressively into any other category, this would be our first priority, no doubt about it. And I quite and fully agree with your views. So far, the targets for the company, definitely we have ambitious targets. We had ambitious targets even for this year, but even going forward, we have ambitious targets for our core category. And we are quite hopeful that we will be able to do some extraordinary performance due to our Pantonic brand, which is soon going to be a 100 crore brand in a very short time. And certainly in the past, we launched notebooks, which did not do well. We also launched gum stick, which also did not do so well. And we also launched pencils, which also did not do well. So one of the reasons of these products not doing well was mainly that our retail footprint was not adequate. And as I mentioned in my speech, we are rapidly expanding our retail footprint, and we will once again launch these categories which you mentioned: notebook, gum stick, and pencils. And we hope that the wider retail reach should help us in achieving success in these categories, as well as other stationery categories which we intend to launch. The fourth point is exclusive products for non-stationery stores. Again, as I mentioned in my speech, that the buying volume of these non-stationery outlets is very low. Normally, a stationery outlet will buy more than 500 pens at a time, but these non-stationery outlets, even though they are much large in the number, like there are more than 10 million non-stationery outlets, which is a number which is almost 100 times more than the stationary outlets. But buying of each outlet is very small. It is like 50 pens or maximum 100 pens. So if we have some exclusive products, with the pens, it helps us in rationalizing our cost of servicing or cost of reaching to these non-stationary, the millions of such non-stationary outlets. So, so we have, we have recently launched hand wash, liquid hand wash, which is a growing category, rapidly growing category, even though there are, already established brands like Dettol or Savlon. But we feel that with our wider reach, or with our distribution strength, we should be able to have some success and able to capture some market share of this category. And maybe in future, once we have achieved some decent market share in our core category, these can be our future categories. So this is our, vision about the non-stationary stores. So far, the fifth point is concerned, as I already mentioned earlier, that we are going to launch a 30 rupee retractable gel pen, which is already, we are ready with the product, but we are just waiting for the proper time, a right time to launch that product, and which is under Pentonic brand. And so we are just waiting for the right time, as I mentioned. So most likely it may happen in the fourth quarter. Once all the schools and colleges start operating normally. We also launched a Pentonic BRT ball pen, which is a retractable ball pen at 20 rupees. But unfortunately, that soon after the launch, the COVID came and the lockdowns started. So this is another product which we are focusing upon currently, and we hope to make it a big brand in a couple of months. So far exports is concerned, currently, the whole of the world is affected by COVID, and still we are getting orders from different countries on a regular basis, but certainly it is not, we have not yet reached the pre-COVID levels. So right now we are focusing on our existing export markets, and trying to increase our footprints, and also trying to promote Pentonic brand, which is quite successful in India, as well as the profitability of Pentonic portfolio is also quite healthy compared to the other products. Point number 7 is, we are mechanizing our, several production processes. So, for example, currently we have about 2,000 contract workers, apart from another 1,000 permanent workers. So there is a lot of employment which we are providing, but as you know that it is also not easy to manage such a large workforce. So consciously, for our increased capacities, we are trying to mechanize the processes, so that we can manage with our existing workforce. So your last point, Mr. Bang, you know, the increase in number of retail outlets. So in our annual report, we've mentioned that we intend to increase the number to more than 200,000 or 2 lakh retail outlets. But frankly speaking, we have taken a much more ambitious target. And in my speech, today's speech, I have mentioned that we have taken an ambitious target of not just 2 lakh outlets, but going up to 5 lakh outlets within this financial year. So this is a big statement which I have made in my MP's speech, and which shows our commitment that we want to rapidly increase our retail footprint. And we have, to reach this huge number of outlets, we have hired about 100, little more than 100 telecallers to service these outlets. And generally a field staff, we have about 350 field staff, and generally for a field staff, it is not possible to make a physical visit more than 25 to 30 in a day, whereas a telecaller is capable of making more than 200 calls by using technology. So this is how we expect to manage our increased reach. So there may be a very a limited increase in number of field staff who visit physically, but the increase in the telecallers will be much more to cater to these targeted 5 lakh retail outlets. So this is Mr. Bang's point-wise answers. And thank you, Mr. Manisundaram, for raising your points, which I think I have covered mostly. And if not, I will cover in following speakers' questions. And Mr. Jaychand, our long-term shareholder, he asked about the salary cuts. So I'm glad to inform that we have not gone for salary cuts, but we definitely had to defer salary for the affected months, and which we intend to pay as soon as the normalcy is restored. And then Mr. Abhishek, I have the list from you also, and I believe that most of the points I have covered. And if there would be anything left, we will reply to you by email. Then Mr. Nikhil Upadhyay's 2 additional points apart from his mail. So our association with Vector Consulting Group, it started in December 2019. So a couple of months before the COVID came in. So our objective was that in 3 years' time, we should have more than 1 million outlets. So that was our target and objective with the Vector. And so the timeline was about 3 years, but maybe because of the COVID interruption, we may have to extend this timeline. But as I mentioned in my speech this morning, we have taken a commitment of reaching to 5 lakh outlets in this financial year. It is a very audacious yeah, task or target, and so definitely we are working very hard on this, and hopefully we will be able to achieve this objective by the end of the financial year. And as I already mentioned about the hand sanitizer, then let me just look into your other questions, Mr. Nikhil. So I think most of the points I've already covered, and if there will be anything left, we will reply to you by mail. But mostly I've covered. And then Mr. Bimal Sarkar's questions I've already covered. Mr. Gautam Nandi also I've covered. All the questions. So thank you very much for attending this digital meeting, and I'm hopeful and I'm very optimistic about the future, even though the schools and colleges are still have not become normal. But as I said that, because of our initiative of reach and range expansion, in consultation with Vector Consulting Group, we are hopeful that we will be able to make good the loss which we are incurring due to these educational institutions being closed.
Hello.
Thank you very much once again. So I thank you, thank all of you for helping me in smooth conduct of this meeting. There being no other business to transact, I declare the meeting closed. The remote e-voting facility shall remain open for next 30 minutes to enable the members to cast their votes. Thank you very much. Jai Hind.